Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous video only. So in the previous video, we are working with some series for Python code for beginners, and this is the continuation video for which we have worked with the list, tuples, dictionaries, and in this work we are going to work with the set. So with the, for a list we would be displaying with the square brackets, and it is possible to modify, add, and remove, slice, and work with comprehensions. Likewise in tuples we are describing it within normal brackets, and it is not possible to any add or remove any element in tuple as like in list. Then with for dictionaries we are displaying this type of braces, and here uh, not rather than explaining the values or elements, we will just give some key and a value to it, and it should be unique, and it is possible to remove or add or change anything in this dictionaries. Then we are going to see sets. So it is an unordered collection of unique elements, and the sets will not allow duplicates. So for duplicates, if you are adding some new duplicate element, means it will not get added in the set. For that also we are having some examples, and so it is helpful in eliminating repetitive data. So first we are defining a set, so within the braces only, that is as what in dictionaries, but in dictionaries we will give key and value pair, but here we are not giving key and value pair, we are just giving some elements like 1 2 4. So if you want to increase the values also, you can just do it. Then we are printing its length. So here we are getting the length as 4, since we are having 4 elements within this set. Next we are printing the is disjoint, that is here the output is true, and we are checking for 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 is not the element of this um, set. So if you run means the output will be false, but if you are giving some elements within this set, and after that if you run means, so in that case either one also it will come like true only. Not it is not needed to both elements should explain should be there in the set. If one is present also, the output will be true only. Then it is possible to add an element in the set. For that we are using the add command, and by using that we are just adding an element within the set, and we are giving print my set. So for that we are getting now, since we are added, so since we just giving add command, the element which we are adding, it will just will be added at the end only. So in that case we will get 1 comma 2 comma 3, and at the end only we will get the element which we have given. So for example, if we change this as 7 means, at the end it will come like 7. So next we are removing 3. For that we are using the remove command. So while we are using while doing this, after that if you print the set means, the output will be like, since 3 is deleted, now the output will be 1 3 4, and so for that we have to run from start itself, because we have given this remove no. So once it is removed, it will be removed permanently. So now it will not show an error. So this is an advantage or disadvantage with the set. Next we are it will not allow duplicates. So for example, if previously we are adding 7, so now we are adding 1 which is already present in the list. So if you add, it means it will not add. For example, I'm just running it. So for this case, we should get like 1, 2, 4, 7, comma 1. But in set, it won't add because 1 is already present. For we can just try with 2. So if I give 2 means in this case also 2 will not come. So this is what set will not allow duplicates. Thank you.